Okay, so I'm gonna power on the controller. As you can see the calibration here, the noise shortly. Okay, so this is what I get when I power on. So you can see some tracking on some of the motors trying to move. This shows actually the percent. It's the DN2 that shows the percent torque. So if I move them up and down, you see all of them get some torque. When they go back down again, you can see almost no torque. Then the hold position, you can see some tracking, but usually they settle at one point. It's two opposite directions. So this is doing this up and down. So I don't know if you can hear anything. Yeah. It's so quiet, you can hear my stomach growling. Anyway, so even if I try to move the rig, let's hold it, try to move it, I don't see any variation at all on this. And if I do manually, you can see this one is playing some different values, torque. That's about it. Yeah, so when I say I don't hear anything, just wait. Anyway, thanks for watching.